Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So next channel guys, today we will be shooting here in the South movie series. It's will be there in our cafe. So check it out guys. What will happen? What we'll see? What we're doing? That the director, actor also will handsome. You can hear. Handsome actor we can. So check it out guys, check out, watch until the end my video. If you liked it, share, subscribe guys. हम लोग इधर शूटिंग कर रहा है. ये है विलन है गैंगस्टर.
नहीं करता था विलन है बे विलन
विलन है ये. खतरनाक.
कौन बड़ा शरद बड़ा
अरे सर कंपनी में रोलिंग एक्शन
Let's wait till 11:45 and then try again. Maybe he's stuck in traffic or something.
Samaj, they said you asked your dad for 15 minutes. Yeah, man, I told him I get a certain lens to shoot. And he went all out with me, we could afford takes from 20-25. Jesus, that's a lot. That's 15 minutes. Cut. Rolling. Action. What's two coffee, please? Finish. Cut. Tilt up, Mala. Tilt up, okay? Okay. Okay. Action. Yeah, I've already seen that.
No, it's my leg.
Roll.
Sorry.
Roll. Action.
Yeah, man, I've never really seen her this nervous before.
First two.
No.
Namaste.
Harish.
Oh, Harish. It's okay. You don't have to do this. Come on. Sure.
These are my friends. Samarjit and Samar.
So you're the one who wants to cheeky with the girl, huh? What? How did you know?
It's in your eyes, darling. They say everything which mouth will never spill.
Cut.
Well, the answer is in your question, darling.
I didn't ask you.
Okay, boys. We're going back to the basics. Whatever I do, there's a learning moment. So write down if you have to. I'm going to take you back to my house and give you more lessons. Okay? Follow me.
This way. Action.
Well, the answer is in your question, darling.
Just ask a question.
Okay, boys. We're going back to the basics. Everything I do, there's a learning moment. Write down if you have to. I'm going to take you back to my house for more lessons. Okay? Follow me.
This way. Cut. Rolling. Action.
These are my friends. Samarjit and Samar.
Ah, so you're the one who wants to do cheeky wicky with the girl, huh?
What? How did you know?
Right.
Focus.
Manada?
Ah. These are my friends. Samarjit and Samar.
Ah, you're the one who wants to do cheeky wicky with the girl, huh?
What? How did you know?
It's in your eyes, darling. They say everything which mouth doesn't fill. So, go on, tell me about her.
I don't know much about her, but she's a junior from my college. I'm an arts
LE College of Engineering.
It's
the most beautiful place.
It's a very nice shooting guys. Like, share, and watch it.
Rolling. Action.
But do dude, I don't want her to reject me. I actually like this girl.
Aww, she's special, is she?
Yeah.
Man, there's nothing I can do if she rejects you. So be completely detached from her. Okay?
Then what is the point of hiring you?
Darling, I'm not a god. I can't give you what you want, but I can direct you to your destination. Best of me.
Feeling sleepy, guys.
Suggestion is not there.
Close the
Uh-huh.
I go in there, I won't be there.
Yeah. Can't go right.
Oh, right. See, so it goes this way, we can't be.
Everybody takes her, sir.
ಲೈಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಾಲು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ
इतना मेहनत से कर रहा है ये भैया. Hi sir, hello. So what's the series name?
Indistinct chapter.
Okay. Okay guys, so check it out.
Check it out. अभी शुरू
Like
हो रहा है.
share.
अभी
हाँ.
complete नहीं हुआ है.
वो लोग देख सकते हैं इधर में ऐसा guys. शूटिंग इतना सारे लेंस मतलब छः ना तो तक बहुत महंगा वाला शायद है. So guys, check it out. 20 lakhs lens this one.
Come, do you have it? Come, Ritesh.
हाँ इधर इधर इधर
Okay, so that's all for today. See you next video. Bye.